Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Shakira. We're talking about like 14 months ago, I think we met.
Yeah, I think you did.
And voila, a new hairline. Definitely one of the more lower hairlines that I've done. However, I was literally just following her natural hairline, and that was the most important thing with her. Is let's go ahead and focus on the natural hairline and work our way back. The biggest thing that I wasn't able to do was the nape of the neck. So that is why Shakira is back with us, not only to show off her 1-year anniversary, but to go ahead and now complete where I had left off. So today our focus is going from where I left off, which was behind the ears and then around the back of the head. A lot of times people will ask me, why can't I do both in one procedure? And the reality is there's no way to sleep for the next 3 nights without dislodging some of the grafts. So Shakira, tell us about your experience over the past year.
I think I was most shocked by the fact that when I left, I kind of felt like I looked like an alien. But I was told that the hair would grow back like months and months later. And I saw growth, lots of growth, like probably within 2 months. Before that even, but like within 2 months, I'd already had enough hair where it looked like I just had an undercut. So I was able to kind of go out and be out and about, just kind of straighten my hair, let it be over. And I actually just showed where my hair was. And then like I could just kind of slick it down a little bit and no one noticed. I think that's what surprised me the most, is that no one ever really knew I got a transplant. It just kind of, so I always had to like explain it to them or tell them that. And they're just kind of like trying to figure out where it was and what was actually done. They couldn't really picture what I ever looked like before because I hid it so well. And I'm really happy now. Like, I don't regret it. I wish I did it 20 years ago.
Definitely.
It's the only thing I wish I did it in my 20s instead of in my 40s. So for ladies who are thinking about getting it done, I'll be turning 47 soon. You want to do it when your hair is at its healthiest. So don't wait until like after you're having those babies and the hair is thinning out. Although that's what I did after my 3rd kid. I did it and my hair was absolutely not at its healthiest. It probably was at its most unhealthy. And Dr. Siegel got me back to where my hair is now fuller, it's healthier. They gave me a lot of tips on how to care for my hair after that. And so I've been able to wear braids.
And you are taking awesome braids, but light braids, not tight braids.
And it took forever to find a stylist. You really have to interview people. You need someone that when you say that feels a little bit tight, or I can feel that they literally will just pull it out and start over again. You need someone that's going to be on this journey with you, that they understand that your hair health is first. The products that they use, I was making sure to be adamant on organic ingredients, not wanting to color, how often I wanted to color. I needed someone who's going to do what I wanted them to do with my hair, because this was an investment that I was going to make once, well maybe now twice, and I didn't want to take the gamble of ever losing it again.
So let me show you exactly. So I'm going to have you look straight and then I'm going to turn the chair.
Yeah.
That way they can see. This is one of the sides that we literally worked on. You can't even tell that we've worked here.
And there's no product in my hair right now, like there's nothing to make it fuller, nothing to make it softer, straighter, anything.
This is her hair.
And I feel more comfortable now than when I had a keratin treatment in, with my natural state.
And this is what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to focus on the nape of the neck, where again she had some trauma going above the ears. So really focusing on through here, and then also wherever I feel that so really focusing on the nape of the neck. And the nape of the neck is one of those procedures which I love to do. The results from the nape of the neck are if as good, not better than the frontal hairline, the Dr. Edges that I gotten the title for. Yeah. But I'm super excited for today. Your hair looks absolutely amazing from the last procedure. Again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. If you have any questions regarding a hair transplant, please give us a call. And one other thing, I did do the FUT procedure, the strip procedure, instead of the FUE. And the reason is, as you can see, she has very coarse, curly hair, more of a 4B, 4C hair texture. So when you're using the FUE instrument, if you have straight hair, it works perfectly. The minute you have any waviness or curliness to that hair, that metal instrument to go ahead and punch out the hair follicle either damages the follicular bulb or leaves it completely behind. Call me if you have any questions. Would love to discuss hair transplants with you. I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.